Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to build a simple website with TemplateToaster. Use the link to TemplateToaster in the description so you can follow along and build your own simple website. Head over to TemplateToaster's website and download the software for your computer. They offer a free trial so you can try it out before committing. Once installed, you'll have the option to create a site from scratch or use one of their pre-designed templates. Templates are a great starting point, especially for beginners, as they provide a basic structure and design elements you can customize. TemplateToaster uses a drag-and-drop interface similar to many design programs. You can add elements like text boxes, images, menus, and buttons to your pages. They also offer functionalities to customize fonts, colors, and layouts to match your preferences. Once you're happy with the design of your website, you'll need to export it for publishing. TemplateToaster allows you to export your website as files compatible with various content management systems like WordPress or Joomla, or as plain HTML files. To publish your website, you'll need a domain name and web hosting service. These services are separate from TemplateToaster and can be obtained from various providers. TemplateToaster has two pricing editions, from $49 to $99. Standard Edition and Professional Edition. Standard Edition offers free updates for 1 year, dedicated product support, Bootstrap framework, create unlimited themes, templates, and websites. Professional Edition offer all that the standard plan offers and start from scratch, FTP option, custom page template design, custom logo with hyperlink, element level bookmarking, and many more. Don't forget to use the link to TemplateToaster in the description so you can follow along and build your own simple website.